relax. You were never getting this back.
Try catching me.
I left you a better one on eBay.
What the? Yo, you serious right now? Man.
Call 911. She's stealing packages.